Welcome to Lydia's Cooking Lab. Let's get started by seasoning our flours, a little bit of salt, garlic powder, allspice, paprika. I have one sirloin steak that I thinly sliced going against the fibers. We're gonna coat it in this seasoned flour. Just throw some avocado oil in a pan. Add those steak bites. We're gonna brown them 1 minute on each side. We don't wanna get it fully cooked. Just like that. Set it aside. Same pan. Add some butter and saute some baby bella mushroom. A lot of flavor. Add back the steak bites, heavy cream, Worcestershire sauce. And then on medium heat, let it simmer for 1 or 2 minutes. Some beef stock or a bouillon and some water, a spoon, like just a small teaspoon of bouillon, some Parmesan cheese and roughly chopped Italian parsley. Another simmer on medium heat for 2 minutes. Just a very easy, quick meal. Took me 14 minutes if you have all the ingredients. Served it with some delicious vermicelli rice. Thank you for watching.